remains elusive. Trust in ourselves, trust in the universe, and simply allow life to unfold.
Can you remember in human eyes? It was so where we'd energize. Lie in the sand and visualize like it's 75 again. We are the people that rule the world. For starting in every boy and girl. All rejoicing in the world. Take me now. We can try to run, but you can't leave one more time. Are you gonna leave me now? Can you be a little now? Can't do well, but I think you can't leave one more time.
The answer, my friends, is to surrender. Let us live fully in the present moment, knowing that existence itself is the greatest gift we could ever receive.